Imagine a world where every child grows up with a foundation so strong they stand ready to face life's greatest challenges. Who builds that foundation? Who shapes the leaders, the thinkers, the dreamers of tomorrow? It is the mothers, the architects of the future, wielding not bricks and mortar, but care and wisdom. And it is through them that the destiny of generations is forged. At the core of every thriving society lies an undeniable truth: women are its foundation. This is not merely a matter of biology or tradition, but a profound reality rooted in the essential roles they play in nurturing life and imparting wisdom. From the earliest moments of a child's existence, a mother provides more than physical sustenance. She offers emotional security, moral guidance, and the first lessons in understanding the world. These early interactions are the seeds of a stable and capable individual who contributes meaningfully to society. When a woman nurtures, she does more than raise a child, she shapes the next generation. Her influence extends beyond her home, rippling through communities and shaping cultures. It is through her wisdom and care that children learn empathy, resilience, and responsibility. These are not merely skills, they are the bedrock upon which strong and harmonious societies are built. But this role is not limited to the traditional idea of motherhood. Women, as mentors, teachers, and caregivers in various capacities, contribute to the fabric of society through their ability to connect, understand, and guide. Their nurturing spirit, combined with the wisdom gained from lived experiences, enables them to foster growth and transformation not only in individuals but also in institutions. The strength of a society can often be measured by how it values and supports the women who nurture and guide its members. When women are empowered to fulfill these roles with dignity and support, the ripple effects are profound. They uplift families, communities, and entire nations, proving that their wisdom and care are not merely individual acts but collective investments in a better future. In their hands lies the power to shape humanity's destiny with unwavering resilience and grace. Responsibility is the cornerstone of any meaningful endeavor, and nowhere is this more evident than in shaping the future generations of society. Women, particularly mothers, often bear a significant portion of this responsibility. They are entrusted with a role that is both demanding and transformative to guide, nurture, and educate those who will inherit the world. Taking on this responsibility is not a choice made lightly, nor is it one devoid of challenges. Yet it is through these challenges that growth occurs for both the caregiver and the child. The act of raising a child requires discipline, sacrifice, and a long-term vision. It means making choices every day that prioritize the well-being and development of another over immediate comfort or convenience. This is no small task. It is an act of profound commitment, rooted in the belief that the investment in one life can create ripples that extend far beyond the individual. But responsibility is more than the day-to-day tasks of caregiving. It is about setting an example, embodying the values one wishes to instill. Children learn not just from words, but from actions. A responsible mother demonstrates resilience, integrity, and empathy, teaching her children these qualities not through lectures but through lived experience. The role of responsibility also includes the foresight to prepare children for a world that is unpredictable and often unforgiving. This involves instilling in them a sense of accountability, teaching them to navigate challenges with courage, and encouraging them to contribute meaningfully to society. Ultimately, the responsibility of raising a child is one of the most significant acts of leadership. Through this role, women shape not only the character of their children, but also the future of families, communities, and nations. Responsibility in this context is not a burden, it is a gift that transforms both the giver and the receiver. Care is often perceived as a gentle, quiet act, yet its power is anything but subtle. It is a transformative force that shapes individuals, strengthens relationships, and ultimately drives societal progress. Women, in their role as mothers, caregivers, and mentors, exemplify this power of care, using it to nurture the human spirit and cultivate resilience in those they touch. At its core, care is about more than meeting immediate needs. It is a deliberate and compassionate act of seeing and responding to the vulnerabilities of another. For children, this care manifests in countless ways: soothing a crying infant, offering encouragement during a difficult moment, or teaching the value of kindness through example. These small, consistent acts create an environment of safety and trust where children can grow, explore, and thrive. The impact of care goes beyond individual development. When women invest their time and energy into caring for others, they contribute to building stronger communities. A caring environment fosters cooperation, empathy, and understanding, qualities that are essential for any society to flourish. Through their care, women create the conditions for harmony and collective growth, demonstrating that compassion is not a weakness but a vital strength. Moreover, the act of caring is deeply transformative for the caregiver as well. It requires patience, emotional intelligence, and selflessness, qualities that enrich a person's character and perspective. In embracing care, women often discover a profound sense of purpose, finding fulfillment in the lives they touch and the changes they inspire. Ultimately, care is one of the most powerful tools for shaping the future. It nurtures potential, builds connections, and fosters a sense of shared humanity. Through their unwavering commitment to care, women leave an indelible mark on the world, proving that transformation begins with compassion. Every choice we make, no matter how small, ripples outward to shape the world around us. For women, particularly mothers, these individual choices carry profound significance. Each decision, from how to guide a child's moral compass to how to model resilience in the face of challenges, contributes not only to the immediate family but also to the collective future of society. Raising the next generation is a task built on countless daily decisions. These choices may seem ordinary, choosing words to comfort a distressed child, setting boundaries to teach accountability, or encouraging curiosity to foster learning. Yet they are anything but insignificant. Each choice is a brushstroke in the larger portrait of a child's character, values, and aspirations. These children grow into adults who will lead, create, and contribute to the world, carrying the lessons learned from those early moments. Beyond personal interactions, the choices women make often set the tone for entire communities. A mother who prioritizes education for her children, for instance, not only opens doors for her family but also inspires others to value learning. A woman who demonstrates strength in adversity shows others what resilience looks like, encouraging a culture of perseverance. What makes these choices so impactful is their compounding effect over time. One decision leads to another, creating a chain reaction that extends far beyond what can be immediately seen. By choosing to act with care, wisdom, and foresight, women play a critical role in shaping a society that values empathy, accountability, and progress. Ultimately, the collective future is not determined by grand gestures alone, but by the accumulation of countless thoughtful choices made by individuals. Women, through their decisions, lay the groundwork for generations to come, proving that every act, no matter how small, holds the power to influence the world.